Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a form in HTML. We'll start with the fundamental building block, the form tag. This essential element acts as a container for all your input fields, buttons, and other interactive components. Remember to specify the action attribute, which dictates where the form data goes, and the method attribute, typically get or post, for how the data is sent. Understanding these basics is your first step to creating functional web forms. Next, let's dive into the workhorse of forms, the input tag. This single tag handles a wide array of user interactions, thanks to its type attribute. You'll frequently use type equals text for single-line input, type equals password for hidden characters, and type equals email for email addresses. For selecting options, type equals radio lets users pick one choice from a group, while type equals checkbox allows for multiple selections. There are over 20 different input types available. Beyond basic input fields, HTML offers more specialized elements. For longer messages or comments, the Textaria tag provides a multi-line input box. When you need users to choose from a predefined list, the select tag, combined with option tags, creates a convenient drop-down menu. And for actions, the versatile button tag can be used to submit the form, reset its contents, or even execute custom JavaScript code. These elements add significant functionality to your forms. Finally, let's talk about submitting your form and some crucial best practices. To send the collected data, you'll use either an input type equals submit or a button type equals submit. For improved accessibility and user experience, always associate descriptive text with your form controls using the label tag. This helps screen readers and makes clicking easier. Remember to validate user input on both the client side, using HTML5 attributes and the server side for robust security. Happy form building!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.